revitalizing our beautiful Connecticut riverfront. The governor and I are very committed to an ambitious program of brownfield remediation, and we have invested $19 million into 31 projects in 23 communities across our state. And these projects are great for our environment, they're great for our communities because it puts property back on the tax rolls, and it's great for economic development as well. This particular project is going to provide for the cleanup and capping of a former soil mining and commercial truck parking area. And what's going to happen is a 19-acre cove is going to be created by excavating some of this clean soil from the riverbank, and the cove is going to support a new paddle sport and outdoor park. That's the first phase of this project. Additionally, there are going to be mixed-use housing, office space, and retail. And what's great, as you just heard, is this is right near the train line as well. And so I'm just so thrilled to be here to announce this great project, which helps not just Windsor, but also Hartford, and helps us connect our riverfront through those great cities. So with that, it is my pleasure to introduce the Riverfront Recapture President and CEO, Michael Zaleski.